Fuel prices have increased once again in Pune. As we have seen, this is the fourth time where we have seen fuel prices that has been increased from past 9 days. Right now we are standing at petrol pump. As you can see, the prices of fuel, petrol and diesel are increasing. As we have seen the rates within last 10 days, adding the financial burden on the commuters as well as the transporters. According to the information that is shared by Dhruv Rupale, president of Pune Petrol Dealers Association, he has said that revised fuel prices came into effect from 6 a.m. today. Like from morning 6 a.m. the revised price effects has been seen. The latest revision of petrol prices in Pune have been increased for 2.73 per litre, rising from 108.79 to 111.52 per litre, that is 111 rupees 52 per litre. Diesel prices have gone up to 2.81 per litre from 95.34 to 98.115 per litre. As we have seen, the prices has been increasing. Now this is the fourth time where we can see the prices of petrol and diesel have been increased. Now to understand with us, we have the manager of here. Right now we are standing at Aga Nagar's side of petrol pump. As we have seen that this is the fourth time the petrol prices have been increased. That is creating a major cost for the local commuters as well as the transporters. What is your word on that?
We can't say like that, but customer, they are very having an issue about scarcity. They are filling petrol and diesel with a large quantity, and they are having doubt whether they will be in future they will be getting the same supply or not. And obviously this price and everything is daily, it is changing from 2 to 3 rupees per day, it is changing, and they are also having that crunch, financial crunch also.
Right now, what is the price of the fuel? Like we have seen today, only the revised prices have been changed from morning 6 a.m. So, what is the right now price?
Right now, petrol price is 111 rupees 48 paisa, and petrol is diesel is 98 rupees 15 paisa. Daily they are changing.
As the prices are increasing, do the customers are coming and filling the petrols in tanks or like like carrying a lots of petrol and like for the sake of there should be no shortage regarding that?
Yeah, they are having a doubt about scarcity of the petrol and diesel, but they do come and take a large quantity instead of regular need. They suppose if they want to have 1 liter, they are filling full tank. That doubt is still there, and they are very anxious about future condition.
So let's try to understand with few more passengers and the commuters who are coming over here to fill the petrol pump. सर, जैसे अभी पेट्रोल के भाव वापस बढ़ गए हैं, अभी ये चौथी बार है जो पेट्रोल के भाव बढ़ गए हैं, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
वो अभी क्या है, उसके कुछ नहीं बोल सकते इसके बारे में. अभी है सिचुएशन ऐसी, वो सब मतलब अभी जो चालू था, वार वगैरह चालू था, उसके वजह से तो ये बात समझ लेना चाहिए. अभी क्या कोई जानबूझ के तो नहीं करता ये सब बात है, तो हर किसी ने समझ के जो भी कुछ उन्होंने फॉलो करने के लिए बोला है कि ईंधन का बचत करो, ईवी कार्स बाइक वगैरह यूज़ करो, तो वो सब फॉलो करना चाहिए, उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए उसके बारे में.
सर, आपका क्या कहना है जिससे से पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं? आज चौथी बार सुबह 6 बजे एक नया प्राइस निकला है.
ये प्राइस निकला है
अभी 111 रुपये का पेट्रोल हो चुका है.
वो सरकार का बहुत गलत काम है. क्या गरीब लोगों का ये करना चाहिए, भाव कम करना चाहिए.
As we have seen where many people are supporting regarding that and many people are against regarding that, because the commuters who used to travel to their destination and to a certain point of to their corporate offices, the increase of the petrol and fuel prices may impact their daily routine, because most of the commuters as well as the people use the transport of petrol and diesel, even though many people opt of using electric vehicles, but still we have seen the number of the people who opt petrol bikes are more. But now, as we have seen, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi have told that we have to use less petrol and diesel vehicles and opt more EV vehicles, and instead of going to work from office, we need to shift to work from home, because as we have seen the right now situation, like Even we have seen during the past years, past months, the war conflict was seen. Like even we have seen the shortages of petrol and many buses that were going around the nation as well as the city. But now we have to see what will be the next price. As we have seen, this is the fourth time the price has been changed in past 9 to 10 days. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.